What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So here's the XF10 Fujifilm XF10 unboxing. The only reason I bought it is the weight. It's only like 270 grams including the battery, everything. I have been using the Fujifilm X70 for a lot of time. I love the Fujifilm X70 color. I know the colors of the trans sensor is going to be better than a Bayer sensor. I know the colors of this one is not going to be as good as Fujifilm X70, even that is 16 megapixel, this is 24 megapixel, but I want something which I can easily edit, because editing trans sensor file are hard. I wanna use a Bayer sensor camera which I can easily edit a file, or I want something like lightweight, inexpensive, and an APS-C camera. So here we go. I bought in black color. I was going to go get in the champagne gold, but I say screw it, I'm gonna get in black color. Okay, so you get a USB cable, you get a charger, you get a plug, you get a strap, awesome, and finally you get a camera. What else inside? There's nothing. Okay, let me just put everything aside because I'm gonna focus on the main thing first. Okay, here we go. Okay, to be honest with you, I will be putting a screen protector on this thing. Yeah. Okay, this thing look amazingly good, to be honest with you. Okay, this is the lens. It seems quite beautiful. Look by yourself. This thing is tiny, dude. This thing is tiny. Okay, it have the dial. It have the dual dial, as you can see, a joystick. But I wanna put the card inside. Let me put this 32 GB card inside. Okay, what's going on? Let me just close this one. Okay, here we go. Let me turn it on. As you can see, when you turn it on, the lens expands. Let me turn it off. Okay, let me go to menu. I'm gonna format the card. Menu. We have format. Let's go. So yeah, let me just take this one and then try to focus on this thing. Okay, now I'm on the auto. Let me put on aperture. Let's see how good is the image quality. I think it's, let me underexpose it. Okay, I think let me underexpose. Okay, let me do like this. Yeah, now it seems good. As you can see, can the camera focus or not? Okay, yeah. This thing is good. This thing is literally good. For example, even when I control the exposure in aperture mode, I just need to use this dial. As you can see, this dial to control the exposure. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we are in the standard mode. I'm literally very much impressed, to be honest with you. Okay, let me just install this one. So you need to install with this strap. I will installing it later. So the first look is quite good, but I'm gonna throw some image quality and video quality. Here we go.
Plans the limit. me that I have 2 weeks to leave her. She telling me 2 weeks she leaving me. It make her too weak to speak to me. But she said fortnight, 14 days. She says to me, Jane, no write out lines, white out lines, and just freestyle whatever on your mind at the time. So I'm asking her like, why you crying? And that line, what I need to give. I'm flying back to where I live. And girl, I know to you it seem hard, but Uncle Sam want me out in country cause I don't possess no green card. No hurricane couldn't stop me. And apparently all the what's in the world must have shocked me. Cause I keep saying no single and alone. And not even a mingle when I home skin a tingle. When I ring you on the phone you have to hand it to me. Read the future good, it mandatory. You understand the story is
my baby don't go. Please don't go. Oh no. My baby don't go. My baby don't go. Please don't go. Please don't go.
my flight plans telling me the obvious. Fresh up out a yard, right back to the metropolis. I fit up on top of this, you understand. The countryman with contraband in Amsterdam, damn, that's the plan. Right on to a T, front S, me left a key with a name, she know what me. Me used to have her at me yard for repeat. Now she day abroad in my suite, you know see it. Kiss on lips, no hello when we greet. Reach a level where devil couldn't heat and dry ice gonna cool down. Dry cries when I fool round. In her eyes, lot of truth now. So much fights have been true though. Still a sight when she moved through. No, it's right, need no proof, no. And so, not to mention what lay up in her brain. Hate to see you on a plane, but you gotta do your thing, maintain.
This is 4K 15 frames per second. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good I am sounding. Yeah, I know the frame rate is quite low and then I'm not sounding that good. I wanna be honest with you here. But still this is the 4K 15 frames per second. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. So this is the video quality of the Fujifilm XF10. 1080p 24 frames per second. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good is my face. So can you show around the cameraman? So you need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good is I am sounding. This is the full HD 60 frames per second XF10. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Recording on the Fujifilm XF10 full HD. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Yes, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Just hand handling and I'm trying to walk. So yeah, you need to be the judge how good is the video quality. Fujifilm XF10 full HD. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good is the focus. 4K 25 frames per second on the XF10. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality and how good it look. To be honest with you, XF10 4K 15 frames per second.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم. الله فهب لي